If you're trying to stay relaxed and smart, feed your brain. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up a bottle of this because it seemed intriguing. Brain food. They aren't brains. These are vitamins for your brain. And I was kind of fascinated by this. Now, I, like a lot of people, know people with dementia and memory loss and Alzheimer's and all those types of things. And as you get older, any of those things might start to plague you. So I was really interested in this. You might not need it for that, but you might want to be at peak concentration for your days in school or whatever it is. Maybe you have an important job, your air traffic control. Now, this is by Vitafusion. It's a brand that I have really loved for a lot of years. And what I really love about them is that they make the vitamins in gummy form because I'm kind of a kid and I am more apt to take something if it is delicious. Yes, that is the truth. So this brain food intrigued me, mostly because of the name, but I want to share with you that it has really two main ingredients, and you won't be able to read them there, but it has 125 milligrams of, and I am going to slaughter both of these words, but I am going to do my best here, Ashwagandha, and it has 100 milligrams of Phosphatidylserine, which is a phospholipid, I believe. Now, I am not a scientist nor a doctor, and I am making no health claims on any of this, but it's my understanding that the phosphatidylserine is the fatty acid that surrounds the cells of your body and is basically a conductor of the impulses and the messages between those cells. So if you think of it like telephone lines running between towns, that is what this does. And so the more of that fat that you have, the healthier the communication is in your body. Now, over time, those fats, I believe, kind of break down. And so what they have studied in animals is that as you lose that, you also lose memory function. So keeping that nice and healthy is certainly going to be better than losing it and trying to repair it, which is nigh impossible. So one, it has that. So hopefully it will continue to keep your cells communicating at a high level. Now, the other one here, the Ashwagandha, the claimed benefits of that are many, and they say that it can reduce blood sugar levels, raise testosterone levels in guys, reduce anxiety, reduce stress, lower blood pressure, might have anti-cancer properties, can lower blood sugar levels. So it has a lot of really good properties. Now, again, in the vitamin world, I'm not making any claims that it will work, and certainly when you are taking a supplement, you want to take them in moderation, certainly no more than the recommendation here. But what makes this really interesting, and will be my first try, is that you can now get those elements in this tasty, hopefully, little gummy. Now, I will also say that the gummy serving size is 2 gummies per serving, and what it says here, suggested use, adults take 2 gummy vitamins per day, chew thoroughly before swallowing. So, I'm going to just open this up. They have little blueberries on the front, and I'll tell you what, it smells like blueberries, and the gummies look delicious. They're kind of large gummy squares, but then they are covered. Looks kind of like in sugar. Pretty chewy. They taste like blueberry too. Wow, those are pretty tasty. They taste kind of like candy, and you gotta just have the willpower not to eat the whole bottle because that wouldn't be good. What I love about Vitafusion is, one, they have been around a long time and I think they know what they're doing. 2, they make a delicious gummy. I can't say that for all the vitamin gummies out there. And 3, what they have here is a lot of really awesome promises. So no artificial flavors or sweeteners, no gluten, no high fructose corn syrup, no dairy, no synthetic FD&C dyes. So I feel a lot better about taking these. Now, I can't tell you that I have experienced a difference here in the short time that I've been taking these. But what I can tell you is that as you get older, you're probably going to get forgetful on things. And if you just want to kind of give yourself the best chance of keeping your mind sharp and your body healthy, you know, taking an extra vitamin isn't a bad way to go. So, hey, if you want to pick this up and try them for yourself, I think your brain will thank you. I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. If you're trying to stay relaxed and oh man, why can't I speak?